appliance door switch. First, remove your front panel. It's usually Phillips head screws. Second, you're gonna have to remove this cover. It's almost always T20. For the upper switch, you're gonna need a 1/4 inch socket. Open the solenoid, pull the switch straight out towards you, unplug it, take your new switch, just make sure you're using the outer 2 pins, you don't want the center one. Other than that, the wire order does not matter. Plug your wires in. Slide it straight back. Put your nuts back on, put your cover back on, put your panel back on, you're all done.